Hi folks, we're in Germany taking a look at the first ever Audi Q8. This is the flagship of Audi's Q family. It's based on the Q7, but it's shorter, it's lower, and it's wider. Walking around the front, it's got its own design. It's got a wide grille with vertical slats. It's surrounded by what Audi calls a mask. Now this can be in different colors depending on the version. It's also got two-part headlights, and you can tell the LEDs have a very intricate design. When you start up the car, they flash and they go from side to side. It's all pretty cool. Audi told me it designed the interior around three basic themes. You've got the digital cover, which are the three screens you see here. There's one which is the virtual cockpit. It replaces the instrument cluster. One with haptic feedback, which is for the infotainment system, and a second one which runs the climate control units and other menus. There is also the mechanical wrap, so that's everything around the screens, and you can tell some of the chrome trim echoes the single frame grille up front. And then you've got the soft cover, which is everything that's around it, from the upholstery on the dashboard, on the seats, and on the door panels. You really feel surrounded by the interior. You're sitting in a proper coupe, it feels like. It's a very luxurious place to be. It's got frameless doors, which allowed Audi designers to lower the roofline. The lower roofline flows into a fairly wide C-pillar. You've also got very strong shoulders and a similar light design that we saw up front. Now the lights, like in the A7, are connected by a very thin light bar, and there's also a piece of black trim. Audi told me the idea was to reinterpret key styling cues from the original Sport Quattro from the 80s into a more modern and obviously bigger package. The first ever Audi Q8 will go on sale later this year. Pricing has not been announced yet. At launch, the base model will come with a 3-liter turbocharged V6 that sends 340 horsepower to all four wheels via Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system.